Someday you'll be a professional air rifle sniper like me, Chet.
Days.
Day 2 of our Umarex Elite Force trip, and we're gonna film some videos here in the video room. So Jet is setting up right now to film. Let's go see what that process looks like. Oh, I can turn on the in use sign too. So Jet's gonna be filming these Glocks 17 and 19.
If I wish I had just this setup, and then I would put myself anywhere. Like, hey guys, we're at the beach today. Nah, let's be in space.
That's what the crazy YouTube shooter lady did. She just did dance videos in front of all these weird backdrops.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, because she had just, you can paint a wall.
Yeah, she had just a blue wall that she painted, and she put all kinds of, she just dance and do weird stuff in front of her wall.
All right. I'll do all the B-roll stuff, and then maybe I'll like get in front of the camera, and then do some green screen. But I want to film all these first. This is great.
Oh, we should turn off our in-use sign.
Okay, we're not in use anymore.
Time to go to lunch. Finally, I'm so hungry. I was being the camera lady for Jet while he did an unboxing. So while he does that, part of it was just on a tripod, so I can catch up on all of my social media-ing, i.e. make and schedule lots of posts while he's doing that. So that's what I do. Now he's got all of that done. He can shoot B-roll after lunch, which means I can do my own thing finally. Yay! Oh, this is not. That's the Thunderdome.
Don't go that way.
I don't need to go to the Thunderdome.
You need to go down one more. It's right over there.
Are you being a weirdo?
No. Just filming your butt. Nothing weird about that.
Stop creeping on me. This is where all the cool kids are. The coolest of the kids. They're actually working.
So.
I don't have the hangries anymore.
Oh, good.
That's good. Back to work. Got to come in through the employee entrance. We pretty much work here now. Nice elevator.
There's no elevator music though.
Oh.
Just need some Linkin Park.
What's up, guys?
We're back.
We're back.
Jet, where are we going?
So we just finished up Leah's live stream on YouTube, and it's a little loud in here, sorry. And now we're gonna go downstairs into the indoor shooting range and shoot the Hammer, which is like the strongest air gun in a
World's most powerful production air rifle.
World's most powerful production air rifle. I'm gonna shoot it! I have actually never, ever shot an air gun before, so my very first experience with an air gun is going to be with the world's most powerful production air rifle. Should be a good one.
Cool, so this is it? This is the hammer?
This is the gauntlet.
Oh, this is the gauntlet. Oh, okay.
You just start with a little smaller version first. This is a 22 caliber gauntlet. It's a PCP air gun. It's fully regulated. It has a 13 cubic inch tank on it. It's regulated about 1150 psi. You'll get about 880 feet per second, about 60 shots out of this one fill.
Dang, what does PCP mean?
Pre-charged pneumatic.
Pre-charged pneumatic, okay.
Correct.
Am I supposed to sit in the chair and shoot
You
it?
can sit, you can stand. It's just your preference, really.
Yeah, probably kind of hard to keep still. Alright, I'm gonna try shooting. Because that's how the real professionals do it. They sit. That's what I see in all the videos, brother.
There you go.
Ready. Okay. Well, that's really easy. Wow. What?
Yeah, it's got.
It is.
It's the first click you heard.
Oh, man, that's short. Cool. I thought it was going to be a lot more difficult. Airsoft guns are harder to cock than that. Cool. This is fun. Man, such an easy cock. It's amazing. This is fun. Do I just get to keep shooting?
I mean,
You wanna shoot?
I'd like to shoot one.
Do you want to shoot? Sorry. Okay, I'll let you shoot one, Jen.
Okay.
Put it on safe. Ooh. Ooh.
So what did you think?
Oh, it was really fun. I felt like a real professional because I had my chair and my stand. But it was really fun to shoot. It was actually way easier than shooting an airsoft rifle, which was impressive. I liked it. I wanted to keep shooting it, but I'm gonna be nice and let you shoot it.
Let's see how you did.
Yeah, let's see it. Let's see how hard it is to shoot this.
What I got.
Look at that grouping. That's okay. At least it wasn't, you know, like all over. All right, your turn.
Okay.
Jet's turn. It's on safe. Now it's on fire.
Yeah, that's really easy to shoot.
Yeah. Coming from a semi-professional BB sniper. You're no Novritsch, but you're doing okay.
We'll do 3. Oh, dang it, I pulled that last one.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Uh-oh, are you gonna do worse than me?
By 1.
No.
I don't know what happened to that. to that third shot.
Oh man, almost as good as me.
Almost.
Someday you'll be a professional air rifle sniper like me, Chet. Also, for those of you that don't understand sarcasm, that's what that was. Just putting it out there for the internet. Sometimes they don't get it. So now we are going to shoot the hammer, which is the strongest production air rifle in the world.
Are you nervous?
A little bit, yeah. I mean, he already said that I can't handle the recoil, so I have to prove myself.
I don't think that was quite my word.
I'm a woman. That's what we do, is we take your words and we twist them to fit our agenda.